Hi, my name is Peter, and I am 77 years old. Will be 78 this year. I'm coming up on my 9-month anniversary of having gone through the procedure with Dr. Pearl. At the point in time when I found Dr. Pearl, which was kind of an accident through the wife of a friend, they had looked in therapy for something he was going through, and she mentioned it. And I had just finished a round of visits with 3 different doctors because my condition was such that on a scale of 1 to 10, my pain level was 9 to 10. I was not able to go up and down stairs. I was having difficulty getting in and out of cars. Sleep was a problem. I couldn't find a position in sleeping where there was no pain. So, and walking was also something with a limp. So I had gone through these visits, and these 3 doctors basically said my only option was a knee replacement. The last doctor recommended trying a cortisone shot, which I did, and it had no effect. So when I met with Dr. Pearl, I had visited the website. I was pretty much aware of everything that they were doing, and I had researched, and I went through with the procedure, which was 3 steps. The first one, PRP, a month later, PRP, and another month, it was another PRP shot. And I can honestly say within days of the first treatment, my pain was significantly reduced. And within 2 weeks, I started physical therapy. And during the physical therapy, my range of motion was improved, the strength was built up, and the pain continued to lessen. There was some stiffness, and there was some fluid on the knee, but all of that, by the time I finished physical therapy, all of that had gone. I was walking normally. I was going up and down stairs normally. And I began probably 2 or 3 months after the procedure to begin my physical activities, playing sports, which I do a lot of. Right now, it's pickleball, probably 4 or 5 days a week. I go to the gym 2 or 3 days a week. Once golf season comes around, I'm going to go play golf, and I'm going to get back and play basketball, which I had been playing up until the knee went out and I was not able to do anything. I am more than pleased. People ask me how my knee is whenever I see them, and I tell them it's a normal knee. My knee has not felt this good in at least 10 years. 10 years ago, I had arthroscopic surgery on both knees. And so the meniscus was removed. And when I saw Dr. Pearl and they did the MRI, basically it was bone on bone. There was very little there. So what I believe this happened, and I'm not a medical person, because there is no pain whatsoever. And I hate to talk about it because I don't want to put a jinx on myself, but it's about as good as it can get at this point. And I'm at the 9-month mark. So Dr. Pearl, the staff, the nurses, everybody there has been terrific, and I would highly recommend it.